Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we will create a stacked card animation. Each card stacks on top of the previous one as we scroll down. The images are also revealed with a clip path animation. We use GSAP and ScrollTrigger to control all animations. The design is also responsive and works well on all screen sizes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the HTML. The section is used to pin the content during scrolling. We use the card container to position the cards. Each card contains text content and an image. Inside the content, we add a paragraph and a div named testimonial. The image has a transparent background. The same structure is repeated for all cards. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we style the elements and prepare them for the GSAP animations. We set the card size using these variables. We reset margin and padding for all elements. The images will fill their container completely. The section covers the full height of the screen. We make the card container centered. This outline is for the card position. We use this only for testing and will remove it. Both the container and the cards use the same size. We align the text and image side by side. This improves animation performance. This is a left double quotation mark. You can find it in the description. We also set its color, font, and position. The text content stays aligned on the left. We use space around to balance between the elements. We also add padding between the text and the image. We create a square shape for the image. We use a linear gradient background. We use the border and shadow to add depth to the image. This prevents unwanted dragging or selection. Now we add media queries to make the layout responsive. We adjust the card to a smaller width. The card layout switches to a vertical layout. We make the image smaller and center it horizontally. Now we make small layout adjustments. This clip path hides the image at the start. The card is also invisible, which prevents a flash before GSAP runs. Now let's move on to JavaScript. In this part, we animate the cards based on the scroll position. We add the CDN links to use GSAP and ScrollTrigger. This plugin enables scroll trigger animations. This selects all card elements. We prepare cards before the animation starts. We add a small horizontal offset to create depth. The cards start below the screen. The Z-index stacks them correctly. We also make them visible. Now we create a timeline with ScrollTrigger. We target the main section for this animation. It starts when the top of the section reaches the top of the page. We set the scroll distance based on the number of cards. Pin keeps the section fixed while the animation plays. The scrub value smooths the scroll animation. Now we animate each card one by one. We target the image wrapper inside each card. Each card stacks on top of the previous one. The scale creates a depth effect. Now we add the rotation to each card. The even cards rotate slightly to the right, and the odd cards rotate to the left. The images are revealed with a clip path animation. Finally, we hide the markers and remove the outline. And there you have it. We used GSAP ScrollTrigger to create the stacked card animation. We also added an image reveal effect using clip path and a GSAP timeline. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.